remote-controlled lawn mower. Both forward and backward mowing operations are possible. No need to turn around, cutting and crushing grass simultaneously. Crush the grass and leave it on the ground. The height of the cutter head can be adjusted by the remote control for lifting and lowering. 15 centimeters widened industrial-grade track. Good off-road performance. Can handle various bumpy and uneven site work. Strong climbing ability, good grip, and less prone to overturning. The body is low, and the overall height is 60 centimeters. Can freely shuttle under fruit trees. The body is low, and the overall height is 60 centimeters. It has been loved by a large number of users in river slope protection, embankments, etc.